channel. Today on my channel I'll be teaching you how to prepare yam and a delicious sauce inspired by my mother. This sauce is delicious, trust me. My mom makes this sauce whenever she's tired of eating regular meals. Right here I'm going to show you the ingredients I'm using. Here I've got smoked fish, here I've got yam, here I've got peppers, here I've got red oil, here I've got my seasoning cube, also I've got onion, here I've got salt to taste, here I've got crayfish. This is the head of the crayfish by the way, and here is the body of the crayfish. Also I've got my cooking pot ready. Come with me guys and let's get cooking. First I'm going to start by cutting the yam, peeling the yam, wash the yam and then ensure it's well settled in the pot to boil. Next I'm going to add water and then allow to boil for at least 10 minutes. For some yam 10 minutes is okay, while for some it will take up to 12 minutes. Also ensure you're checking to know if your yam is soft enough to eat. After adding the water, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, cover and allow to cook. Next, I'm going to start by blending the peppers. As you can see guys, no water added, and I'm going to do the same with the head of the crayfish. Also, we're blending the whole ingredients dry. It's been 10 minutes guys and yam is ready. Next I'm going to drain the water out and set it aside, and then we're going to start frying the sauce. I've heated up my pot. I'm not going to add my red oil. I'm just going to allow it to heat up for just 3 seconds, and in goes the onion. I'm doing this because you don't need the oil to heat up too much before you start frying. Like I said, it's a local sauce. If you do it exactly the way I did it in the video, you will definitely enjoy it, trust me. Next, I'm going to add my peppers. In goes my peppers, stir, and also add my crayfish. As you can see, it's the body of the crayfish I'm adding next. Allow the crayfish to fry for 3 seconds while you stir. We're doing this because we don't want our crayfish to get burnt. Next, I'm going to add the dry blended head of the crayfish. As you can see, in goes the crayfish and stir. I'm just going to allow it also to fry for 3 seconds and then add my seasoning. In goes my seasoning cube, stir, and also in goes salt to taste. Stir, and afterwards in goes the fish. Guys, with this fish in the sauce, it makes this sauce yummy. For all the fish lovers out there, I'm sure you get me. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of water and allow the sauce to simmer for at least 3 minutes, and then it will be ready to serve. It has simmered for 3 minutes now, and it's time for us to serve. Trust me guys, this is tasty. Look at that, dish has been served. I cannot wait to dig into my delicious local sauce and yam. What are you waiting for? Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe. Also, turn on your notification button so whenever I post my video, you will be notified. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you all and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.